Hey friends, do you know a person who is not using mobile phone or a digital device? Your answer would be of course no. So everyone from us using mobile phones, digital device, electronic gadgets and all such things in this digital age. Accordingly, there is a huge demand for these device repair services or shop. So of course this is a very important service nowadays. Mobile repair shop, the gadgets repair shop or electronic shop, you can say simply. But what if we are talking about the websites? Like, of course the websites for these services is also on high demand, and this is what we are going to cover in this video. We are going to create a website for mobile phone repair, the tech and electronics repair shop, and the theme that we are going to use is TechLife. This TechLife WordPress themes offers 4 pre-made website, and you can use these pre-made websites for launching your service website in no time, and you don't need any technical skill for creating such websites when you are using WordPress and this theme. So there are other themes in also available on this channel in the same business category. You can explore other themes as well, but yes, we are focused on the TechLife WordPress theme in this video, and watch this video until end if you are really serious about creating a successful and performing website. TechLife is a premium niche WordPress theme designed especially for mobile phone and tablet repair shops, computer and laptop repair businesses, camera repair shops, etc. And it has been developed by Stronghold Themes. They are elite author at Envato Market, themeforest.net. The theme came into existence in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. So we can rely on this theme, and it has got a good reviews from its existing users as well. So let us see how we can set up a website using this theme in no time. Yes, we definitely need this theme pack and a WordPress optimized hosting plan. So follow the video description link that will take you to all necessary web pages where you can buy the theme and the hosting as well. So you have to buy the theme simply at themeforest.net through the video description link that is available for $69. And in this $69 you are going to get a quality check by Envato itself, the future updates for this theme, and 6 months support from the theme author itself. In addition to this, you'll get a free pass to join the iCreate program, and where you can get a help from WordPress mentors for completing your website. Okay, so without any delay, I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and the website is looking like this with the default WordPress theme 2025. And this is the shared hosting plan that I always use, and you can also avail the same. So let us proceed installing the theme TechLife, and during the video we are going to explore all these options and what exactly we can do with the theme options and how we can customize our website. So these are 4 layouts that we can target using TechLife WordPress theme. All these layouts are good, clear, clutterless design and to the point. So it is a good idea to start with this theme, and as I said, you have other options as well. Okay, so I can show you the theme pack. First of all, in the theme pack, what I got, this is the installable theme file. This is around 25 MB in size. The child theme is also included. The sample data, licensing and documentation part is also here. So to start the installation, we can simply head on to the appearance sections, further on the themes, and here we are going to add new theme by uploading new theme by choosing the installable theme file, that is techlife.zip, tech-life.zip. Simply click on install now. While the theme file size being the 25 MB, it may take a while in installing the theme, and you can even directly upload the theme using the file manager. Every cPanel or H panel has based hosting plans, which is recommended hosting. However, you can use any hosting, it is not a restriction. But yes, all the cPanel based hosting plan gives an access to the file manager where you can upload the theme file directly. Like this is the theme, go to the domain, go to WP content and the themes, and here the theme is to be uploaded, I mean theme file. So from I use the front end as always, and the theme has been uploaded successfully. But yes, just in case if it does not work, you can use the file manager as well. Okay, so theme got installed successfully. We can go to the theme page, and yes, this shows the theme TechLife here with the default theme, and we can check the details further. This is TechLife version 15.6 by Stronghold Themes. As I said, the Stronghold Themes are the original developer of this theme, and it is always recommended to buy the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link, so that you may get an authenticated and updated version of theme. So it is really important when you are planning a business website. You have to be very clear. Okay, so now I can activate the theme using this activate option, and after activation I have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. So let us begin installing plugins, and here are the list of plugins. Elementor is the page builder that has been used, and one click demo import is here for importing the demo content. Of course, TechLife CPT is a plugin that is pre-included. Contact from 7 in Watermarket, and the Revolution slider is also well available here. WP Bakery page builder is also here, just in case if you are willing to use the WP Bakery, either Elementor. So this is the option, and the WooCommerce is also here. So when you are trying to make an e-commerce website for the tech repair shop, this can be helpful. Okay, great. So we are here, and I am going to select all these listed plugins, 8, selecting install, clicking on apply, which may install all the listed plugins. But yes, we need to wait, and we have to check whether it is working properly. Just in case if it does not work, I mean the single attempt to install all the listed plugins does not work, you can install plugins one by one by following the install links given with the plugin name here. But yes, in the first attempt we can try to install all the listed plugins in a single click. That's what I am doing, and I am waiting as well. So I wish to show you the exact time, and yes, it is complete. This is the beauty of hosting plan even that we are using, and it hardly took 10 seconds for me, and even the all activation of the plugins has been done, so we don't need any additional effort to activate the installed plugin. So we can simply come back to the dashboard, and here I am coming to the dashboard, and I am sure it is being redirected to a welcome page of Elementor maybe, or so. Yes, so Elementor welcome is here, but yes, we can certainly come back to the dashboard, and okay, so here is the dashboard, and we can set up the WooCommerce that is showing a store coming soon. Just in case if you are planning to launch an e-commerce with this website, you can complete the setup of WooCommerce. However, it is not required at this stage, it can be completed later as well. So I can see some new links that I am definitely going to show when I will complete this demo website. And let us take another look. Yes, this is the website that is using the TechLife WordPress theme, and it don't have any demo data, and we have target website like any of these 4 websites that we can target. Look is simple, but yes, this is effective look, and it is to the point website. So this is why I have chosen this theme to be on this channel here. So let us proceed to import the demo content to make to complete our target or demo website. So TechLife demo data import is available under appearance menu. I am simply going to follow this link, and here I have again choices, so you can choose any. There are many, even RTL is available, so I am choosing the default one, very first one. But yes, you have all these 4 choices. Import demo, continue and import, and now the demo content import processes begin. So at this screen we need to wait. Do not refresh the page or hit the back button until we are getting any message on this screen. What we can do, just open the media library in another tab that can show some images. Okay, so we are not getting the actual images as in demo, we are only getting the placeholder images. That is also good. So we never need the actual images because ultimately we have to upload our own images. But yes, if you are getting the placeholder images here and even actual one, yes, some actual one as well, so it means the demo content import process is going fine and it is complete as well. So good. Hardly 30 seconds in demo import. Yes, it is showing congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. Great. So let us visit our site first, and here it is. This is complete. Yes, and some the placeholder images, of course we can change with the original one, and this website is complete without any trouble, without any doubt. It is complete. We just need to place our content along with the images that is applicable for our services. I mean, the even if you are making this website for your client, you can follow the same rule. But yes, so all great, and we have received the content, and I'll show you the media library again just to show. Check 24 images, no cluttering here, so only required images that we can use directly at our website. Further, if we check the pages, how many pages we have received, so this is 19 pages which is published, so we can use the home pages, the projects or the services or shop pages, and some more here. Yes, too. Okay, so we completed this demo website. Okay, let me refresh this, and we are fine to go ahead for editing the content. And for that, I'll take you to the backend again. So I must tell you, you just need to use any one page builder. Either you can use the WP Bakery page builder or Elementor, both are available, so you can disable any one of these and go with the live one. So Elementor may be your first choice, but yes, both works fine, so don't worry about that. Okay, so what I can show you very quickly, what are the new pages. So I can see the brands is the new navigation, we can, where you can update the brand content simply, and the galleries, the projects, the services, and the team members, testimonials, for the headers. Okay, so all the data can be simply edited using Elementor, and everything is fine. And I can see the slider evolution that I can show you. So okay, so what the home, and just in case if you are using home one, you can edit the slider content here. I'm in the hero image area, hero content area can be controlled here. So just keep in mind, use the same dimension of image and the same length of text content that has been used in the demo. Rest will be fine, and I am sure this is nothing like technical thing and you can do all these things. But yes, I'll show you the main theme options so that you may get an idea. Like options backup are here, theme options are is the area where you can edit most of the things, basic things like the fav icon, the copyright text, or the back on top options, and these are basic things but very important. Similarly, you can upload the logo custom size, logo height can be edited, and you can select the header type, so all the header types can be seen here. So there are many options. Great. Okay, so these all basic settings. Elementor headers, styling options, the typography, context and social, shop options, footer, the Elementor footer, blog, sidebars, 404. Okay, great. All controls we can do here. And further, if we are taking the options backup, so you can use this option backup option just in case if you are migrating the site, that can be helpful. Okay, so all great, and I don't think I need to explain more about this theme or the functionalities. Yes, So for editing the content, just open the page that you want to edit, click on edit with Elementor or edit with WP Bakery, whatever you are using, and start editing the content. And it is going to be super easy, that like you are working on a MS Word file. Okay, yeah, so I'm sure you can complete your website. Since you are creating a technical website, it is going to be super easy. You are already a technical guy, but yes, you don't need any technical skill for completing this website. Okay, so simply click on the area that you want to edit, and the content will be available for editing purposes. And yes, it can be completed within an hour or so if you are ready with the content. And yes, you can launch your website in no time. In case if you need any support, write in the comment section of this video, or it is a good idea to start a direct chat with the WordPress mentor, and we are waiting for you for answering your questions and all supports for your website. Okay, in the next video I'm coming with more options, more great things for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.